Welcome to the ultimate guide for growing and monetizing your YouTube channel. In this video, we'll take you through the entire process, from establishing your foundation to mastering advanced strategies. Drawing insights from some of the top YouTube strategists and creators, let's dive into every stage of your YouTube journey with practical tips and proven approaches. Part 1. Growing your channel in stages. One of the most frequently asked questions is, how do I grow my YouTube channel? Patty Galloway, a YouTube strategist known for advising creators like Mr. Beast and Ryan Trahan, recommends a stage-based approach. Stage 1. The first 1,000 subscribers. Focus on consistency, honing your skills, and defining a niche that's truly yours. Post regularly. Aim for 2 to 3 videos a week. In this phase, prioritize learning the basics of YouTube like editing, creating thumbnails, and video optimization. Experiment with various content types, but avoid trending topics that don't align with your brand. Stage 2. 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers. At this point, analyze your content to identify what works and what doesn't. Start eliminating videos that aren't resonating with your audience and double down on those that do. Find the balance between creating for passion and responding to your audience's needs. Stage 3. 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers. Now it's time to develop a strategic focus. Spot high-performing video types and start planning around them. The channel Golden Kobe, for example, found success in showing a dog's reaction to other animals, consistently using this popular format to gain traction. Don't be afraid to experiment and see if other successful formats might align with your creative vision. Stage 4. 100,000 to 1 million subscribers. Expand your content formats and start thinking like an entrepreneur. With this milestone, it's about scalability. Begin outsourcing tasks like editing and thumbnail design, giving you more time to focus on strategy and ideation. Part 2. Being remarkable. Standing out is crucial. As Doug puts it, imagine a food court filled with burger joints. You can't just be another burger place. You need a twist, like a burgerito. Being remarkable means offering something different. For example, Aristotle, a top Fortnite player, found success by showcasing his unique skills, drawing in viewers interested in his level of gameplay. Part 3. Crafting clickable titles. Titles are your first impression. Jake Thomas, creator of Creator Hooks, highlights the power of emotions in titles. Use curiosity, fear, or desire to drive clicks. Avoid boring titles. Create curiosity gaps or pair unlikely concepts for intrigue. Experiment with variations. Avoid all caps for readability, and tailor the title length to your audience and traffic source. Part 4. Thumbnails as visual storytelling. Thumbnails can make or break click-through rates. Keep a clear hierarchy, a main character, often you, and supporting visuals. Use cues like red arrows, lines, and scale differences to direct attention. Text should be clear, concise, and not overpower the main image. Test readability and contrast. And remember, a viewer should grasp the thumbnail's message within seconds. Part 5. Researching for engaging content. Strong research is the backbone of quality videos. Collect information from primary sources like interviews or blog articles, and from secondary sources like YouTube videos. Organize similar information into groups, combining them to create strong, insightful content. This systematic approach leads to well-informed videos that hold your audience's attention. Part 6. Crafting scripts that connect. Scripts can be your guide, particularly if you're aiming for clear, impactful content. Find a process that's sustainable. You might start with basic bullet points and then expand them into a setup tension payoff framework, a structure often used in both educational and entertainment videos to keep viewers engaged. Part 7. Producing the video. From ideation to publication, production involves translating your script into visuals. Film talking head footage, add relevant B-roll, and keep refining your edits. Seek feedback to ensure each section flows. Before publishing, design a thumbnail and a strong title, using A/B testing for optimization. Part 8. Editing for impact. Editing transforms raw footage into an engaging experience. Clean up mistakes, incorporate B-roll, add music early for tone, and include visual elements to support the narrative. Consider hiring an editor when you're clear on your style and are ready to scale. Popular tools like DaVinci Resolve offer powerful features with a free plan. Part 9. Understanding analytics. Analytics provide insights into performance. Focus on the views graph and retention curve, which show where viewers drop off or stay engaged. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes satisfaction, click-through rate, and average view duration, so keep these in mind when assessing video performance. Part 10. Building audience connection. Your goal is to build a community, not just a subscriber count. Engage with different types of viewers: casual, engaged, and superfans. Use the Community tab for updates, polls, and comments, fostering loyalty and involvement. Part 11. Navigating the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm isn't pushing videos to viewers. It's pulling videos based on their preferences. Creating valuable, engaging content is your best bet. Optimize for viewers, not just keywords. And remember, flops are part of the process. Learn and adjust. Part 12. Monetizing your channel. When you're ready to monetize, there are options: AdSense, affiliate links, sponsorships, and personal offerings like courses. For sponsorships, think about the brand's goals, whether it's awareness, repurposing, or conversions. Don't rely solely on calculators for pricing. Consider the unique value you bring. Part 13. Building a YouTube business. The final stage involves viewing YouTube as a business. Diversify revenue streams with a mix of ad revenue, consulting, sponsorships, and speaking engagements. Focus on content quality and explore multiple income sources to create a sustainable career. This guide is your roadmap to YouTube success, from building your channel to navigating algorithms and monetization. The journey requires learning, experimenting, and growing, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to building a thriving YouTube presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on mastering the world of YouTube.